Did you know that Carbonado is one of the rarest and toughest types of black diamond in the world, known for its extreme hardness that allows it to scratch metal with ease? In this video, we'll show you a simple test you can do at home using a steel nail to help determine whether the stone you have is real Carbonado or just a fake. All you need is a clean nail and a bit of focus. Gently run the tip of the nail across the surface of the stone without applying excessive force, then watch the result closely. If the stone remains unaffected and leaves a clear scratch on the nail, this is a strong sign of very high hardness and may indicate real Carbonado. However, if the stone itself gets scratched, chipped, or damaged, it's most likely a fake or an ordinary rock. Keep in mind that this test is not 100% conclusive. Only a first step, since some man-made materials can give similar results, is to have the stone tested at a certified gemological laboratory before making any final decisions.